And just like that, we're back on the 2-lane road rolling through West Texas. We now have about 220 miles to Dallas or something like that. Well, this is downtown Ballinger. Oh, there's some stores there. Dollar. You see if there's any thrift stores around here or antique stores.
I'm looking.
Yeah.
It's weird to have a Dollar General downtown.
Yeah, there's some old buildings here. This has got to be, I'd say, turn of the century too. See if I can see any dates here. Oh, there's one right there. Looks like
something 86 maybe?
Yeah, maybe that's 1800s. Yeah, let's see what that says there.
Let's see. That's a pretty building.
Oh, the building on the left there, that brown one.
1886.
1886. Wow, that is an old town here. What was that?
What was what?
I thought that was a thrift store or something.
Like a drugstore, fancy stuff.
Okay, yeah, it's an old store. These old stone buildings here.
Wow.
They have lots of sandstone around here. Abilene, straight ahead. Oh, what was that? Their whole high school there? Market. There's another gas station. I think I'll wait till I get to Abilene.
Looks like it might be a town square or something. There's a little gazebo there.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, back on the highway. Well, still rolling through Texas. Leah's reading her book over there.
I am.
Let's take a look, see what it is. It's a good
Rubber car.
You like that out there?
I do.
Okay, well, that's something to do.
Something like to read.
Lots of time. And I'm listening to my reading show. Okay, back on the road. They kind of run them around and let people look at them and out that way real quick.
Waiter right there, $1.20. If I say 25, 20 cents, money cents.
That guy there.
And I got it, I'm going to get a be 6 waiter.
It's like a cattle prod. The one guy had like electric cattle prod. So what do you think of this place?
I've never seen the auction, so it's
Yeah.
fun.
I can't say I've never seen one up this close. Seen them at fairs and stuff. Yeah, calf. See, they don't know which way to go. They're trying to, I think they're trying to turn them around so they can get a good look at it. Yeah, I think they go, but the bigger steers and like the bulls and stuff, they'll actually poke them with electric prod. Eat up there and they bid on it per pound. He's like a longhorn there, see, kind of a baby longhorn. I guess we just hit the end of the auction here.
Bye.
People leaving.
Maybe there's something else coming. The cows? What about the sheep?
I don't know. We'll sit here for a minute or two and see, but it looks like it's all over. Well, did you enjoy your brisket?
I enjoyed my brisket.
This is probably where it came from. It was good. Boy, that was a good brisket there. Steer head in here. This is where you pay for your auctions. In there. Oh yeah, hat rack made out of horseshoes. That's kind of cool. And a spur on there. That's neat. Okay. Well, that was fun. We got a barbecue dinner and some entertainment with the auction. Quite a deal. So this is in, what's this town called? People might say Conroy, but not that. Little goat. Look at that little goat down there. Hey there, goatie. Little teeny goats. Painting goats. Well, that was fun. Oh yeah, there's a horse there. So here's a longhorn over here. He could spear you. Look at that guy's horns. Oh yeah. You're on the air. How'd you like this stuff?
Good. It was good brisket. I got some cows.
Yeah,
and a
well, we hit it
longhorn.
just the right where we
And an auction.
saw a cattle auction, and boy, that brisket was good, and the ribs, and oh man, nothing like good Texas barbecue. Sometimes you don't get, you know, the perfect one, but most of the places, I'd say like 90% of them know how to make brisket.
Yep.
So it's good. Okay, onward to a new adventure. We're heading down the road.